Do you ever find yourself asking, is Asana actually free? It's a question that pops up in every productivity forum, every comment section, and every late-night scramble to organize your life. You see the ads, you hear the hype, and you see that big, bold, free label on their website. But is it really? Or is it one of those things where the free version is so limited it's practically useless, a mere taste of what you'll have to pay for? In a world where every piece of software seems to have a premium tier, a monthly subscription, or a per-user fee, the idea of a truly free, powerful project management tool seems almost too good to be true. And when it comes to Asana, one of the biggest names in the game, that skepticism is completely justified. So today, we're going to peel back the layers of Asana's pricing, figure out exactly what you get for free, and more importantly, when that free ride comes to an end. Let's start with the good news. Yes, Asana has a free plan. They call it the personal plan, and it's not a temporary trial. It's free forever. This is a huge deal, especially for individuals, freelancers, and small teams just starting out. You can sign up, create an account, and get to work without ever entering your credit card information. This isn't a limited time offer. It's a permanent fixture of their pricing model. But what do you actually get with the Asana personal plan? The features are surprisingly robust for a free offering. You get unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, and unlimited storage, though there's a 100 megabytes file size limit per file, which is a key detail. You also get unlimited messages and activity logs, which is great for keeping your team aligned. The free plan also includes the essential views you need to manage your work: list, board, and calendar. For a small team or a solo user, these tools are often more than enough to get organized, track progress, and collaborate effectively. The free plan also allows for up to 10 users, which is a very generous allowance for a small team or a small business. So if it's so good, where's the catch? The catch, my friends, is in the limitations. As your team grows and your projects become more complex, you will inevitably hit the walls of the free plan. The most significant limitation is the lack of advanced features. The free plan doesn't include the timeline view, which is Asana's version of a Gantt chart. If you're managing projects with complex dependencies and need to visualize a project schedule, the free plan simply won't cut it. You're also missing out on custom fields, which are crucial for organizing and tracking specific information that's unique to your workflow. This means you can't create fields for things like priority level or client name, which can be a major roadblock for more sophisticated projects. Then there's the automation. In the world of productivity, automation is king. It's what allows you to turn repetitive, manual tasks into automated processes, saving you countless hours. The free version of Asana doesn't have a workflow builder or automation rules. This means if you want a task to automatically move to a different section when it's completed, you have to do it manually every single time. And let's not forget about advanced reporting. The free plan has very minimal reporting capabilities. You can see the basics, but you won't get those powerful dashboards and reporting tools that give you a bird's-eye view of your projects and team performance. And this is where the paid plans, the starter and advanced tiers, come into play. Once you need a timeline view, custom fields, or automation, you're looking at a paid subscription. The starter plan, for example, unlocks the timeline view, custom fields, and a limited number of automation actions. The advanced plan takes it a step further with features like portfolios, which allow you to manage multiple projects at once, and workload, which helps you see who on your team is overscheduled. Another important point to understand is the per-user pricing model. Asana's paid plans are billed on a per-user, per-month basis. And here's a detail many people miss. You can't just buy one seat. Asana's paid plans have a minimum seat requirement, so even if you're a single user who just wants the timeline view, you might have to pay for a minimum of 2 seats. This can be a significant and unexpected cost, especially for freelancers and solopreneurs who just need a few extra features. It's a very common complaint you'll find on the Asana forums. The final piece of the puzzle is the user limit. While the free plan allows up to 10 teammates, once you hit that 11th person, you're immediately prompted to upgrade. This is a very clear and hard boundary, and it's how Asana ensures that as your team grows, you'll eventually become a paying customer. So while you might start out loving the free plan, a growing team is the fastest way to outgrow it. So, to answer the initial question, is Asana actually free? The short answer is yes for a specific type of user. For an individual, a freelancer, or a very small team with basic task management needs, the personal plan is incredibly powerful and, yes, truly free. You can use it indefinitely to organize your life and your work. However, if your work involves complex project schedules, requires customized data tracking, or relies on any form of automation, you're going to hit a wall. The free plan is designed to be a starting point, a way to get you hooked on the platform before your needs outgrow its limitations. So, is it a bait and switch? Not exactly. The features are clearly laid out. But the transition from free to paid can feel abrupt and expensive, especially when you discover you need to pay for a minimum of 2 seats or more. So before you dive in, know what you need. If a simple to-do list and a Kanban board are enough, go ahead and enjoy Asana for free. But if you see your projects growing in complexity, your team expanding, or your need for automation becoming critical, be prepared for that transition to a paid plan. It's not a question of if, but when. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.